Hello, this is Greg. This is a repair video. I purchased this little kit clock online, and this segment right there just isn't working. So I purchased it from Temu, told them what happened. They said not a problem, just keep it. So in my Arduino kit, I found this one today. So there we go. You can see that it's gone completely. So let's see if I can replace it with this one and make it work. Lights are coming back on. I'm going to just use my little sucker to pull these off. Let's move that out of the way. Get my little cup. Turn the power supply off. Grab a seat. Now I put this together with my solder, so I am hoping it will come apart easily when I put this on the big screen here. There we go. It's better. Just a little bit of focus on that right there. Okay, let's see what we can do here. Oh. I've had this little sucker here since for quite a while, since I first started learning this stuff. About 2 years maybe. And it works. All right, let's try this bottom set down here. It's a lot less expensive than the one that just continually pumps. I think Richard has one on his site, Learning Electronics Repair. I can already feel it, that it's loose. Yes, yes, no, no. Oh, look at that. Came right out. Set that one aside. Look, there's a segment out on the drawing too. An omen. Okay, well, let's see. Slip this one in there. Huh. All right. Let's flip that one over as a little backstop. And a little bit of focus. That looks good. Some solder wire. Come on. There we go. Oh, look at that. Let's turn you off and move you off to the side. Just burn me a little piece of solder here. Okay, get on with the job. And here. It's nice and flat in there. Excellent. Let's move you out of the way. Here we go. Oh, come on, go down in there. There you go. And it looks like I got them all. Okay. Away. I'll trim it in a minute. I'll do that off camera. Power supply. Move that off about right there. And a little bit of red. A little bit of black. Excellent. Red and black. And hit the power. Oh, I gotta turn on the power supply first. Hit the power. No. Oh, that's a 5. Let me see. Oh, it works. Look at that. I got all the segments. Let me make sure all of them work. I'm looking at this one right here, over here in this bottom corner. It's just going back in between 1 and 5. What else we got in here? I'm going to turn the lights off. I can't see it very good. So at least that one segment was the okay. Was the look at that. Yes, they all work right there. Okay, quick and clean. That was a very simple repair. So if you have one of these and the segment didn't work and you happen to buy a Arduino or a Lego starter kit, it had one in it. I have tons of these. This is the only one I have. That was the only one that I had, and I came upon it accidentally looking for something else. So I have my clock kit now. This is going to be on Spanish time. My oldest son lives in Spain, and this is going to be set for where he lives. 9 hours ahead, Pacific Northwest. So if it's noon here, it's 9 p.m. there. Have a great day. And thanks for watching.